Larry is installing our lights that I talked about earlier, that we were not gonna have yellow lights anymore. He's installing the good ones. These are what we purchased.
Taking them with us.
And apparently we're taking them with us. This is 40, you need 60. 1.
You gotta pull the thing up.
Okay, just do 1 for right now. Let me put this here so people can watch you, your butt.
Look at that.
Oh wow.
Put your camera on.
Huh?
Show your camera.
Oh, Ricky also cleaned the light things. I don't know what those are called. It was really gross, so. We're just cleaning. Also, Ricky's here. He made it to Texas. We figured it out. No logs, but we do have a fireplace, so that's exciting. Also, check out our lighting. It's not yellow in here anymore. Hello, YouTube. We still don't have internet. We're having a lot of other issues going on with the house, but we have replaced all the lights. As you can tell, it looks 20 times better. I look like a hobo, but we're working on things. But yeah, the lights look phenomenal. Like, this looks so much better. I can't wait to see the difference in editing. I promise I have a bun on my head, you just can't see it. Larry and Ricky are outside looking for the cable connection to see if they can get our internet working. Obviously, that's a big priority because Larry works from home. It's not looking good. But I thought that I would entertain you guys by putting some chairs together. So I'm gonna set you up over here. We're gonna see if I can do this. Let's go. A week and a half since we moved into the house, and I will show you, we still don't have our stuff, we don't know when it's coming, but I will show you the few improvements that we have made because we have purchased some stuff. It's just an empty house basically still, but we did get these cute bar stools. Got these from Target. They're the Project 62 brand. They're really cute. They're just gray. Little bar stools, so those are really nice. We got 3 of those. We got this nice rug for our living room. We got an entertainment system for Larry's giant TV, so we don't have to mount it to this wall with the weird shapes. This is just from IKEA, but it's actually really nice and modern and simple. It's just gray. And this is the rug. It's really soft and cozy. I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then we're using an air mattress as our couch. And what else do we got going on?
The desk.
Oh yeah, let's go to the office. It's gonna be dark for a second because I don't know where the lights are. Beep. Okay, there we go. This room is still totally empty, just boxes and bags. But in the office, let me light here. In the office, we now have a desk for Larry to work. This is also from IKEA. This is the Hemis collection. It's actually really nice, but he doesn't have a chair, so we're using this. So that's his cute little desk that we got, and then we also got one of those like $10 IKEA things that everyone does the hacks with for our printer. So that's what's going on in here. And then in the guest room, we'll take you in here. We purchased a brand new bed, and I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. And 2 nightstands. Ignore the yellow bedspread. I don't know what happened. I have to do some laundry, but I think it's just because it was in the car for so long. I'm not sure. But I'll try and show you. The floor is dirty because they came and assembled this today. I'll show you the really nice bed. This is from Gallery Furniture in Houston. It's really cute. This is not the bedspread. This is our bedspread for our bed, but the bedspread will be coming. I'll do a decor haul, but that's the improvements that have been made. We still don't have a door in our shower or anything. So we're just really living life here in our empty home. But it is coming together, and we are grateful that we do have this home, and we're getting things done every day, and it's kind of fun. Today we went to explore Galveston and the beach, and we went to Buc-ee's, and yeah. But I'm just gonna keep vlogging little bits and things, and then this will just be a compilation of moving into this lovely home that we have got ourselves into.
Looking forward to it.
Yep. So anyway,
New adventures.
We'll update you when there's something else to update you on. Bye. One more update. The landlord felt sorry for us, so she gave us a microwave so that we can cook stuff. And we also bought 2 plates and 2 cups so that we can eat, and some steak knives so we can cut things. So really, really doing well. Boxes have arrived, couch arrived, working. Looks like it's gonna rain, but we got everything inside. Here's the truck. So exciting. Garage is nice and stuffed with stuff. We live here now. Pretty cool. And then we'll just come take you inside. See everything that's going on. Go back here. See. Bed. It's made. Hello. We are still in the trenches of moving into this house, but we have made a lot of progress. As you saw yesterday, we were trying to figure out where things go, and it's a lot of work every time you move, you all know, but we are just trying to figure out where stuff goes and put it away as much as we can. We're trying to cook dinner tonight. We probably shouldn't. We should probably just keep working, but here we are in our hot mess of stuff. But once we get everything put away, I'll do a full like furnished house tour. We are noticing that we're missing a bunch of stuff from the move, which is really unfortunate. So we're gonna have to do some claims and things, but it's what happens when you move. So anyway, that's the update. Tomorrow Tuesday our master bathroom is going to be installed, so we can fully move into that room as well, hopefully, and get that organized. But yeah, so that's the update. See you guys as I see ya. Hopefully you're enjoying this random mini clip vlog of moving. Moving is rough, guys. Okay, bye. Also, this is what I look like currently. Shambles. And the house still shambles, but we are getting there. Today our goal is to get all the boxes out and to start cleaning, because that is highly needed. So this, you know, shambles, but getting there. Good news, Larry's awake. We got sausage cooking. We're gonna cook those pancakes. I made Larry his coffee. He's outside looking at his bird feeder, coming inside. I won't show him because he's in pajamas.
It's humid out there today.
Yeah. It is. We're not used to humidity, huh?
Look what it did to my hair.
So slight update, I made the French toast in the air fryer instead of the stove, and it worked better for sure. So, French toast. It looks burnt, but it's just really crispy. It's not burnt, I promise. Okay, so we made some progress today. House is a little bit cleaner, table's a little bit cleaner. Those boxes are gone, the counter is cleared off. Everything else, you know, slow and surely, but we did clean up a little bit of this stuff. Just still working on it. Larry's working on his office. The guest room's a little bit cleaner. So we're getting there. I can show you actually our new guest room stuff because it's all new. Except for I have a dress sitting on the thing, but this is how this is looking so far. This is all new stuff, and we're actually still waiting for the shams that match this. They were on back order. And then I ordered some wallpaper samples from Loomwell to see if I liked either of these with them. I like this pattern, but this color is too off from this to look good. So I'm gonna go back and see if they have this in like a different color. I don't think they do, but. And then I like this, but I think the pattern is too clashy with the rest of it. So I'm gonna keep looking, but it's really nice that Loomwell will send you samples, and then you can also feel how they feel, because these both feel a little different, which is cool. So anyway, that's what's going on in this room. Larry set up his second monitor that we bought at Costco. He really bought 2 of them, and I think it won't fit on his desk, so we'll see. Where's your laptop gonna go?
Over outside. You don't really need it too much.
Yeah. Alright, well, it'll fit then. But he's been working in here, so we're just making slow and steady progress, but it's getting there. It looks a lot better today, I think. So
Yeah, it's starting to.
Yep. So anyway, we're gonna watch the Chiefs and eat some dinner, and we'll see you when it's time to cook HelloFresh. I can show you this bathroom too, because it's pretty well put together. This is the shower curtain. It's very yellow in here. This is the only room we couldn't replace these, so I apologize. But this is the same shower curtain we had, the same black rug, the same cactus rug. It matches in here, it's fine. Have our decor. I do want to hang this up at some point. This is what I look like now after working so long. I made a little towel bin, which is actually really cute. And then I put some stuff in here from our bathroom that didn't fit. And yeah, so just working slow and steady. My last goal of the day is to clear off this table and put our new table mats out, so that once we sweep and vacuum, we want to get a few more things off the floor first. Then we can roll out our rug and have our table back. You guys, check out this pot roast that we made. We already took some bites, obviously, but it looks so good. And there's our gravy. What do you think, Blair?
Oh, it's looking great.
Yeah.
I am excited.
We didn't show you cooking it, but here's the finished product.